How to increase or decrease system font size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Font Size and Style. After click on font size and style, so you will see font size is here. If you want to increase or decrease system font size, so if you want to increase font size, so you will increase system font size from here. If you want to decrease font size, so you will decrease system font size from here. So you will increase or decrease font size from here. After increase font size, go back to home screen. So that's how you can increase or decrease system font size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.